May dalawang paraan para makapag-build tayo ng ating emergency fund. So the first way is what we call accumulation. Ikaw mismo ang mag-iipon ng pera every single month in order for you to deposit it in the bank para just in case may mga negative things na mangyari sa ating buhay, we can easily withdraw the money anytime. So sabihin na lang natin, yung budget natin every single month is 2,500 pesos. If you multiply this by 12 months, meron kang 30,000 pesos na deposit mo total sa bangko. Just in case may emergencies na mangyari, meron kang 30,000 pesos na pwede mong i-withdraw anytime. Yung second na approach is what we call accreditation. So instead of you saving the money in the bank, what you're going to do is to pay a particular financial institution para just in case meron mga emergencies na mangyayari, they will be the one who's going to support you financially. Let's just say the same lang, yung budget. 2,500 pesos per month pa rin yung budget allocation mo. You multiply this by 12 months, ang total payment mo in 1 year time is 30,000 pesos. But here's the good news. Yung emergency fund mo is not worth 30,000 pesos. Rather, it's approximately more or less 1 million pesos. Yung accreditation, guys, ang tawag natin dyan is insurance. By the way, I am not an insurance agent. I'm just a person who shares about money. Pero clarification lang, I'm not saying na lahat ng emergency fund mo ay dito sa accreditation. Dapat meron pa rin tayong accumulation. Yung accumulation kasi is for minor emergencies. Sabihin na lang natin masakit yung ulo mo, may sipon ka, may ubo ka, you're going to go to the doctor, bayaran mo yung doctor's fee, and then bigyan ka ng reseta in order for you to pay the medicines. Saan mo kukunin yung pera para doon? Doon sa accumulation mo. That is why it is also recommended that you have at least 3 to 6 months or even 1 year worth of your expenses. So sabihin na lang natin meron kang 20,000 pesos per month na expense, you multiply that by 6, dapat meron kang 120,000 pesos in a particular bank account para kung mawalan ka ng trabaho, you can still live for the next 6 months. Yung accreditation kasi is for major emergencies like confinements, hospitalization, critical illness, surgery, tumor, cancer, and all those negative things na mangyari na malaki, dito natin kukunin yung pera. So if you have any other questions about finances, just put them in the comment section.